Do you ever feel like you've completely lost your focus? Tasks start piling up, motivation dwindles, and even the simplest things feel overwhelming, right? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to share 5 simple steps to help you regain your focus quickly and effectively. These methods are easy to apply and can make a big difference. Let's get started. Alt 1. Organize your environment. Step 1. Tidy up your workspace. Why? Because our environment has a huge impact on our mindset. A cluttered desk often leads to a cluttered mind. Start by removing unnecessary items. Clear away papers, empty coffee mugs, and anything else that doesn't belong. Use a box or drawer to organize things if needed. Also, check the lighting in your space. Natural light works best, but if that's not possible, make sure your area is well lit. Bonus tip: if background noise distracts you, try wearing headphones and listening to white noise or focus-enhancing music. There are plenty of playlists on Spotify and YouTube designed just for this. 2. Set small goals. Big projects can feel intimidating, leaving you wondering, where do I even start? Instead, break them into smaller, manageable steps. For example, if you need to write a report, do your research. Outline the main points. Write the first draft. Celebrate each step as you complete it. It'll boost your motivation and keep you moving forward. Question: what tasks could you break into smaller parts today? Write down an example and start right now. Take deep breaths. You can't focus your mind if your body isn't calm. That's why breathing techniques are so effective for regaining concentration. Let me show you the 4-4-8 breathing technique. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 4 seconds. Slowly exhale for 8 seconds. This simple method only takes a minute or 2 and immediately helps you feel more relaxed. It's perfect for stressful situations like exams, tight deadlines, or even just a busy day. Let's try it together. Take breaks. Trying to work for hours without stopping can actually harm your productivity. Why? Because your brain gets tired. Have you heard of the Pomodoro technique? Here's a quick breakdown. 1. Work on a single task for 25 minutes. Take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle 4 times, then take a longer break of 15 to 20 minutes. During these breaks, do something refreshing. Stretch, go for a short walk, or drink a glass of water. Breaks aren't just about resting, they're also about recharging your mind and energy. Chucks, remember your why. Why are you doing this task? Reminding yourself of the purpose behind your work can significantly boost your focus. Ask yourself these questions. Why is this task important to me? What results will I achieve by completing it? For example, if you're preparing a presentation, think, this presentation will help me get that promotion at work. Write your answers down and place them somewhere visible. That way, whenever you feel distracted, you can reconnect with your purpose. Losing focus happens to all of us, but the key is knowing how to get it back. Today, we've covered 5 effective steps to help you regain your focus and boost your productivity. Which method are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who could use some focus tips. See you in the next video.